Hello, dear friends. Today I have received a wonderful gift, and this gift I have received from Google, and I'm going to show you what is this. This is a small gift the Google has sent it to me, and I'm very much happy because I have received this, and this has been sent by DHL, you know, and I'll explain you what is this. I was working for Google Map, and I was working for Google Photo also. Sometimes when I just visit here and there, once I eat in the restaurant, I take the picture of the dishes and other things, desserts, and all the other things of the restaurants photo also, and I don't hesitate to upload it on Google Map. So suddenly, Google has been sent it a mail that Bobby, you have received a wonderful gift. It's called Google Badge. So today I have received it, and I will show you what is inside it. So I'm going to unbox in front of you. So let's see what is here. So first I'm going to okay, so I have missed it, so I'll open it like this. Yes, and I have opened it, and what is inside? I think inside there is just few things, not very much things, just two things. There is a one Thanksgiving later, I think so. Here is written, it's written here, a local guides gifts from your next advantage. So thank you, and thanks for sharing your knowledge on Google Maps and helping people everywhere find the things worth doing. So here's a little something to say thank you. So this is one kind of little Thanksgiving later, and I am very much thankful because Google appreciate me and has been sent it a letter and a small gift. And there is a gift. I'll show you what is that. This is a very small gift, but for me this is very big gift. This is a small metal badge, so you can add on your t-shirt, on your bag, and if you want you can keep it at home. So I'm going to open it. And I'll show you what is it actually. So this is the things. This is a you can see this is a Google badge. It's written here local guide. So from today I am a local guide on Google Map with a badge. So this is a big thing. Once you will do something bigger, so Google will send you this kind of badge. In this badge, what actually happen, I'll try to show you. There is a mobile phone on your hand. If you want, you can use a camera, professional DHL camera. If you want, you can use it, and you can take photo and you can upload it on Google Map. And once you will have huge view, and Google will send you this kind of badge. So again, I like to give thanks to Google because Google given me this wonderful gift. So this is actually Google gifts. So I'll open it in front of you. This is the back side, this is the front side, and I'll open it like this. You see, this is very easy. I just open it, and it's like that. It's like that. Just there is, yeah. This is a small thing, but it's mean lot. It's mean lot. So from today I can put it here. I can put it here, and I can keep it at home also. So once you have this kind of badge, so I like to welcome you in our family, those who have this small badge. and it's very very expensive for me and those who have received it. It's once you have millions view on Google and photos also, you will receive this kind of small gift. And once again, thank you Google Map to recognize me as a local guide, and I am very much appreciated right now to work a lot for Google. So this is actually redeemed from Google, and this is a small batch. So this is not a small, but this is a big thing. This is a big thing, you see. So this is the Google redeem.